Let's cook BirYani together. 1 point for kilograms of chicken thighs and breasts. 1 kilograms of long grain rice. 1 kilograms of potatoes. 100 grams of onion. 100 grams of almonds without scale. 100 grams of raisins. 15 grams salt. 15 grams of 7 spices or BirYani spices. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 400 grams of green peas. Preparing the BirYani ingredients, fry each one separately. Chicken and potatoes, then green peas and almonds. Lightly sear the chicken in the pan with half an onion. Place the half-fried chicken in the air fryer at 200 Celsius degrees for 15 minutes. Peel the potatoes and cut them into fry shape and fry in cooking oil. Fry 400 grams of green peas lightly. Add 2 grams of salt. Place the fried green peas on the plate along with the potatoes. Lightly fry the almonds. Add it to a bowl of mixed potatoes and peas. Remove the bones and chop the meat into thin slices. Put all together and mix well. Boil 2 liters of water in a pot and add 10 grams of salt. Add 20 grams of 7 spices to boiling water. Let it cook. Put the washed rice in boiling water and cook for 20 minutes. Prepare 100 milliliters of cooking oil and heat it to sprinkle over cooked rice later. The BirYani Plaw pulao variant involves cooking rice twice or 3 times. Remove water from cooked rice. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the empty pot. Put the half-cooked rice into the pot. One gram 7 spices in between. Mix 5 grams of the 7 spices with the chicken stock and the cooking oil that we prepared earlier and sprinkle it over the rice. Let it cook for 15 minutes. Add half of the prepared fried mixture to the rice. Mix evenly and cook for another 10 minutes.
Enjoy it.